That is a reasonable question. So the question always comes down to, sure, you can reduce the cycle time, but what does that mean for you? Well, if you can reduce the cycle time, that can mean 2 or 3 things. One, you can get out more product. Obviously, that's a really good thing. The part is now cheaper. Now you can pass that on to the customer. You can choose to keep that. That's up to you. The other thing you can do is if you can save enough cycle time on enough machines, you may not need to buy a new machine. You can get more jobs through this system and not have to buy that next machine. So this can keep your shops smaller and still provide a lot more product for your companies. Or you can use that money to help your shop grow, like we're building the shop across the street to grow into another facility.